وصلی اللہ تعالی علی خیر خلقہ محمد وآلہ واصحابہ اجمعین. التخارج. Quotientness. I was looking for a word that is takharuj. Literally, it means getting out of some situation with mutual consent. Q-U-O. Q-U-O. T-I-E-N-T-N-E-S-S. Q-U-O. Getting out of someone, of some situation in inheritance with mutual consents of other. This is literal meaning. Technically, it means when the heirs agreed upon quotientness of some of them from the division of the estate, E-S-T-A-T-E, by giving him something either from the estate or from outside. Got it? There are heirs. One of these heirs is big property. So one of these heirs is Nabi. Yes. So he said that in Burbank airport there is a junk aircraft in the estate. Give me that, I don't want anything else. Got it? So he is called the quotient. And the other agreed. Okay? Just take it. Got it? This is a type of legal contract. As Abdurrahman ibn Auf raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, he divorced his wife. Tamadur. Her name is Tamadur. T-A-M-A-D-U-R. Tamadur bintul Isbagh al-Kalbiya. And he did the same in his Maradul Maut. In what? In his Maradul Maut. On deathbed. As we mentioned at the very beginning, that if somebody will divorce his wife on his deathbed, yes, so if he died as long as the iddat period is not passed, so that lady is entitled for her share in the property. Got it?
Yes.
That is called talaqu az-zawj al-far. Maybe that is not his intention, but the situation is like this. Like he is getting rid of her, so she may not take any share in the property. Got it?
Got it.
And in Maradul Maut, we mentioned two things. Number one, that's a disease where mostly the people are dying from. And number two, practically he died from. Yes. Then he died while she was still in her iddat. Abdurrahman ibn Auf died and she was still in her iddat. So she was eligible for her due share. So that was the time of Usman ibn Affan radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So Osman decided the same along with other three wives of Abdul Rahman. And we mentioned before that if someone has more than one wife and he does not have kids, neither of this one nor of that one, so they both will take 1/4 of the whole property. They will share what? 1/4. If he had the kids, then they will share 1/8. Now here they were 4 in number. Got it? So, and Abdurrahman had sons and daughters. So now they had to share 1/8 of the whole property. Got it?
Yes.
So the heirs of Abdurrahman ibn Auf radiyallahu ta'ala anhu gave her 83,000 dinar to be quotient. 83,000 dinar. So it means maybe her share was more than that, but she agreed to that. Just give me cash. Where I will be looking for more land and property and plazas and buildings and this and that, and in Khaybar and in Sham and in Misr and here and there. So just give me cash. So they gave her what? 83,000. So once again for Sheikh Muhammad. We are in inheritance in Takharuj. And Takharuj is quotientness. Literally, when somebody is going out of a situation in inheritance with mutual consent of other heirs, and technically it means when the heir is agreed upon a quotientness of some of them from the division of the property. As Abdurrahman ibn Auf radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he divorced on his deathbed one of his 4 wives. Her name was Tamadur bint Lisbagh al-Kalabiyya. So Sayyidina Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, when he came and visited him, he said, I heard that you have divorced your wife. He said, yes. So Sayyidina Usman says, Firaran an irthiha. Yes, that you are getting rid of her share, but you cannot. Because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, Talaq az-zawj al-far la yuharrimu al-mar'a, la yuharrimu al-mar'a. Cannot make her mahrum. She will take her share. He said that, no, but I did it. I don't have that intention. He said, but anyhow, she will have it. If you will die and still she is in iddah. So she was in iddah, Abdurrahman ibn Auf died. Now Abdurrahman's property was spread all over Islamic State, here and there and there and there. Yes? So the heirs got together and she said that, look, give me some cash. I am not going to look for the land here and there and Palmdale and Glendale. That's way too much for me. I am a lady. Yes? So they agreed upon $83,000 dinar. 83,000 dinar. Got it?
Yes.
maybe in property she was eligible for 100,000 dinar or more than that. And that was 132 share of the property of Abdul Rahman ibn Auf. Because he had 4 wives and he has kids, and all the 4, they had to share
132.
1/8. 1/8. So when 1/8 is divided by 4, so that will become
130.
1 out of 32. Got it? There are different ways of this procedure. A woman passed away and she left behind husband, mother, and uncle. The husband asked for takharuj or quotientness. That I owe her mahar. So if you both will not ask for that, because mahar was the due right and property of the woman. Got it?
Yes.
And the husband had not paid it yet. Got it? So the heirs of the woman, they were eligible to ask for that money. Yes? That's a part of her property. So he said, if you people will not ask for her mahar, which I owe, I will not ask for my share in the estate. Whatever she had, I will not ask for my share. So the actual solution was that the estate may be made 6 shares, denominator? 6. That woman, for example, was Zainab. So she left behind her husband. Number 2, mother. And number 3, uncle. So here, Zainab does not have any kids or grandkids. So how much she will take? Zainab does not have it. So how much the husband will take? Half. And she did not have the kids, nor she had more than one brother or sister. So how much the mother will take? 1/3. And the uncle is? Say, the residue. He is not a sharer. So now here the denominator of 3 and 2 is? 6. It means you are getting it. But another time we will start it, because this is such an arithmetic that it needs time. Yes, Muhammad? Yeah. This sufficient miracle of Muhammad or not? Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Law of inheritance. The whole world does not know it. Only Muhammad knew it. While he had never been in mathematics department for 1 day even. Yes, neither in Sacramento, nor in Boston, nor here in UCLA. Never. Got it? So now, it was supposed that the husband will take 3. The mother will take 2. 1. Got it? Now what he did, the husband, he asked for the kharuj. Don't ask me for the mahar, for the double. Yes. So I will not ask for my share. Maybe the mahar was more than his share in the property. That's why he asked for. Otherwise he was not a foolish man. Yes. Got it? So this was supposed, the husband was supposed to take 3 out of 6, the mother 2 out of 6, and the uncle 1 out of 6. Now after this takharuj, the actual shares will be 3 only. Because the remaining share, how many remain?
3.
2 plus
1.
1, 3. So as it was the number of the shares of the mother and uncle from the original solution. So now instead of, being the denominator 6, we'll make it 3. So 2 will go to the mother and 1 will go to the uncle. Sheikh Muhammad.